All right, out here at Gemini Bridges Trail. Now I'm gonna go check out this uranium mine that's up the hill from me. A lot of people just miss this mine because it's kind of tucked into the hillside here, and so if you aren't looking out that direction while you're driving, you're gonna miss it. And I came here a couple years ago and just poked my head in there and really didn't explore it that much, but since I'm here now filming this, I'm probably gonna go in there just a little bit more, and with my UV light this time and Geiger counter, to see what I see inside of there. I don't plan on going down in there too deep because I am by myself and I don't feel like dying today in a mine. So let's get up there and check it out. Looks like something was living down there. Little nest. Hopefully it's not here anymore. So there's an entrance over there. And it looks like there is maybe a couch down that way. I don't know if I feel like going that deep into it though. Yeah, very cool though. All right, so I think that's gonna about do it for this uranium mine by the Gemini Bridges Trail in Moab. I don't know the name of this mine. I've looked on old mining reports and I haven't found a name for it, so I'm not sure the name of it. But it's kind of cool to explore. I'm not really advocating anyone to come here and walk through this mine because mines are dangerous. I mean, I just smacked my head on a low-hanging rock. I should really have a helmet on, but I didn't bring it with me. So and you shouldn't be exploring mines by yourself, which I am. But anyway, it's a cool place. It's only mildly radioactive. I think when I was down in there, I was getting around 1,300 counts per minute, which isn't too bad. I mean, that's like 400 times, you know, what background radiation is. So that may sound like a lot, but it isn't. And the other cool thing is too is that there's antinite on the side of the walls here. So if you're in this area and you want to hike up to this mine and you have a UV light that's like really strong, you will see that glowing green on the mine wall, which is really cool, you know, because you just don't see it very often. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to this channel. I'll have more content like this coming out, and take it easy.